Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be helping you update your DJI Avata 2, but mostly the motion controller. Let's say you just bought your DJI Avata and using the Integra goggles or whatever it is that you're doing, you bought separately and you're trying to update this thing via your phone wirelessly and it's just not working and you keep getting an error. Well, we're going to show you in this video how to fix that so you can get up and running in no time and seamlessly, hopefully, if all goes well, you'll be updated. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's get you updated. So what you're going to want to do is, if you have it already, great. If not, download the DJI application for consumer drones. If you have it, it's called the DJI Assistant, but if it's not working, just delete it and download it again and you'll have a better experience. That's what I had to do. All right, so we're going to launch it. Okay, again, DJI Assistant 2 for consumer drones. Okay, and you're going to launch it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your remote controller. All right, so once your remote controller is turned on, you're going to connect it into here via USB-C, right, to your computer. I believe it should be connected. Yeah, there it is. It'll show up. If it doesn't show up, just quit the application, start again, or if you click it, hopefully when we click it, see it says RC Motion Controller 3. And then, if all goes well, in the perfect world, you should see, definitely not this. Just wait a second. It is on. We turned it on, as you can see. And we just clicked it. So what you'll do is you'll just quit the application by doing this, right? And this is normal. Welcome back to everything that glitches. We would not exist if your stuff would not glitch. All right. So again, we'll try it again. In the perfect world, it should show up. See, there it is. And then we double tap it. And once it's double tapped, you saw there was a little glitch there on that screen, which is a little bit of a bummer. Let's see what we have here. Click the refresh button. And on refresh, everything should be okay. Hopefully. It says it's loading. It's connected. And worst case scenario, we'll connect it directly into the computer. It's possible that the hub is interfering with it, or it's possible just, you know, just doing what it wants to do. Okay. So knowing that, moving forward, try another port. Okay, we'll try this one. Direct connection. If that doesn't work through your hub, okay, sometimes it's just better to connect directly. And then we'll press refresh. So again, quit the application, yes, and we're going to open up the DJI Assistant for consumer drones, okay, in the perfect world. There it is, it showed up again, all right, and then now, double tap. There it is. All right, so you can choose refresh or update. As you can see, it's a little nerve-wracking. It's not fluid. It's not consistent. And why, I don't know. But as you can see, eventually, I was going to say, as you can see, eventually you will get it to work. But apparently, you know, don't move. Just hold that pose. So if you're like this, just stay like this until the update takes. You can't move. Don't do anything like, yes, hi, what are you doing? I'm just trying to update my motion controller. Apparently it's sensitive. All right, so what you probably want to do is just put it down. All right, put it down, leave it on the ground, and then hit the refresh button and let it update. Don't move it. See how my leg's on it? That's a no. Because if I move my leg now, the firmware is not going to update. DJI, you're killing me, man. All right. So knowing that, let's say updated, you didn't move your leg, or you held that pose. Now you're ready to eject it. Okay. And do the same thing with the drone. Okay. You plug in the drone. Of course, you have to turn it on. Okay. And once we turn it on, as you can see, it's on. It'll take a little bit. It'll load up the SD card. And all the other good stuff that goes with your drone. And hopefully there's not too many duplicate efforts and things happening simultaneously, which would probably cause it not to show up. But it did. See, DJI Avata 2, and you click it. Remember, this is for those that are having issues with it updating the other way. Sometimes it doesn't work wirelessly. One time it didn't. And there it is. I'm current. I can go backwards in time and downgrade, which is great. That's nice that they have that option there for those who aren't crazy about the latest update, or maybe things are just working a little bit more bunkier. So knowing that and moving forward, the same process, except here, since I have SD cards in there, I probably want to eject them, right? So you just eject and then pull out the cord. And then now, see, we're done. Plug it out. And of course, shut it off. It should shut off automatically, but you know, you don't want to drain. I want it to be ready for the next flight. I don't want to lose any of my percentages. So, same thing with the goggles. These are the goggles 3. Okay, we're gonna plug them in into it again. Don't move. Hold that pose because apparently this one operates the same way too. See, turn them on. There it is. Oh, what's great about this is that you can load the SD card, I guess I spoke too soon, without taking it out of the goggles. It was about to load, as you saw, but apparently it sunk to something. Or did I forget to shut something off? So you want to make sure that this doesn't sync to anything so that the batteries don't dissipate as quickly as you want them to. You see, and there it is. There's the SD card loaded. So you could load your, if you have pictures on there, you want to take them off before the update in case something happens and crashes. Let's see what I have on my SD card. Nothing I really am attached to be honest with you. Wasn't happy with that flight, but if I lose it, great. If not, no. Oh yeah, some folks. And yeah, so remember, take your stuff off the SD card in case something happens, and then do your update. So there you see DJI Goggles 3. Double tap. Wait for it to load. Again, if it doesn't load like it did in the beginning, just quit and then start again. See, nice. You have the option to refresh. In your case, you might see update, press update, or downgrade, depending on your user experience. Some folks aren't happy with the update, but at least now you have the option to do that. So I'm running 1.00.0.2. If you want to go back to the 0.1, do it. And I believe, and with the same thing with this one, just right click on your disk, eject it so that nothing bad happens, and then disconnect it, right? And then now we're gonna shut it off, and that's pretty much it. See, it was easy as 1, 2, 3. Just remember, download the latest version of the DJI Assistant application so that you can be up and running with the latest firmware, or not. Just leave it as is. But sometimes now with the new DJI experience, they won't let you fly unless you update. So, knowing that and moving forward, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.